What's up, guys? It is Alan Usage, not me, my father. Okay, so in this video we are going to be doing some stuff, and of course you know what it is. Minecraft. Yeah. Yeah. No. Here. Man, that is my game. iPhone. You can see that. Well, I am with the iPhone. Yeah. Just gonna show this and do something. Look. Say hello. This is my sister. Hello. Hey. Dear. Hello. Nini. Dennis. Dennis. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Wow, she don't really look now. She's doing some stuff. That's my sister. So let's come in. Yeah. Okay, so I'm in a swimming pool right over there. And this is the iPhone, and we're just about to make my screen here. Go back up to hands. Let's go back. So yeah, this is my creative work, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, and leave a comment and leave a like. Please subscribe too. Bye.